In this problem, we're going to draw an isosceles triangle using the given information as AB equal to 8, AC equal to 6, and BC equal to 6. Then we need to find the area of the triangle. So first, make sure that ortho is on. You can click on ortho, or you can press F8 from the keyboard. Then let's take our cursor to the object snap area. Click on that little down arrow and put a check mark next to intersection if it is not already checked yet. So it's already checked on my computer, but if it is not checked, make sure to put a check mark next to it. Now click on the line tool, click anywhere on the screen, move right, type 8, press enter, and then right click and cancel. Now we're gonna draw two circles at both ends of this line using the center radius option. So click that little down arrow next to this circle tool and then click on center radius, click this end of the line, left hand, and type 6 and press enter, and then right click, click on repeat circle, click the right end of this same line, point B, and then type 6, press enter. Now 6 is the length of line AC and BC, given as 6 here. So AC is 6, BC is 6. Okay, so those two circles have an intersection point here. So I'm going to click the line tool. I'm going to start from this point, left end of line AB, point A, and then if you want, you can actually turn the ortho off and then click that intersection point, and then while you are still in the line tool, click the right end of line AB at point B. Now that we are done, right click, enter or cancel to exit from the line tool. Now select these two circles and press delete to erase them. And now we're gonna put the hatch inside of this triangle. So click on hatch and then click inside, and we want to put the same solid color as given in this problem. So let's click on settings and click on that pattern here and scroll up and then click solid, and then click the color. We're going to change it to this color, cyan. Okay, click OK, and let's press enter, and then click that hatch inside of this triangle, right click, click on properties, and let's look for the area. Area is 17.8885.